doing another NYX photo. Well, no, video this time. So I thought that I would go ahead and vlog again. You know, I'm officially a vlogger. Y'all like the last one, so we're gonna do another one. Today we're doing a lipstick application thing. So we're using, I got to choose my colors. It's like a lip kit. So you get a liner and a lipstick. So I chose this blue. This blue is called NYX's Tears. And they want us to be creative with the photo, but they also have a lot of restrictions, what's new. So I'm gonna change this backdrop to white instead of pink because they want a neutral background. And I'm thinking to do some teardrops. I practiced a little bit earlier, forgot to film, but I practiced a little bit earlier. But I'm kind of gonna do like some little teardrops and call it a day. As y'all can see, I've been breaking out. Look at my skin. I tore my skin up, but we got makeup wipes, so we good now. But yeah, so I guess I'll set up the camera and y'all can see me put this all together. But this is not gonna be too crazy like the other one because there's a lot of restrictions, a lot of things I can't do. And we're just trying to be slightly creative with it. So let's go.
It's money over everything.
Okay y'all, so I'm done. I'm done. Trying to get y'all a better view. Those are my teardrops for my ex's tears. So now I just have to do the lip on camera because that's what we're promoting the most. I decided, well, mom, y'all know, creative director mom. I talked to her about doing both eyes as that's what we originally agreed on. But once I did this eye, we kind of figured that maybe one eye would be enough because we're trying to promote lipstick, not a full-blown look. I just wanted to be creative since they said be creative. So these are the eyes. Try to go a little blue and silver. Hopefully it looks good. But that's pretty much it. So now I just have to put that lip on. Like I said, I have everything set up. So I'll basically be like this in the shot. None of the sides or anything like that are gonna show, it's just gonna be white. I'm probably gonna zoom in on the lip like this to apply. And then everyone will be able to see the finished look. So that's pretty much it. I'm about to vibe out to some music, get this tutorial done, and that's it. I hope that y'all have fun watching me somewhat set this up and do this. I know a lot of y'all want to start YouTube channels too. This is the lens that I use to blur my background. It's like a, I'll probably link it below, but it's known as like a pancake lens. So the way this is set up, I'm gonna have to move the entire camera to get a close-up shot of my lips. I can leave it open and wide the way it is now, far away from me, to get the basic look, but I might have to scoot this up. I got my close-up shots. I'm gonna apply the lipstick again using the wide angle shot. So I pushed the camera further away from me, as I told y'all before. It's my backdrop here, so I can get a wider angle and I can have multiple shots of me putting on this lipstick basically. guys, my Christmas gift from Mama Bear and myself. But look at how big this box is, y'all. We were trying to figure out what size I should get, like a 27 or a 24 inch. I didn't even know this was 25. I thought that it comes in just like those 24 or 27. But it's a 25-inch gaming monitor. I didn't even know this was a gaming monitor to begin with. I thought I just picked up an Acer monitor. But it looks so good. But look at how big it is. It is so freaking big. I'm excited. But basically, this is my setup right now. Watching Maya. She just made me want to unbox mine because she actually just spent $10,000 on some gear. But yeah. So we're going to hook this laptop up because this is the only computer I have. I don't have a tower. So eventually we want to get a whole PC build, but for now we're gonna start with the monitor. I already own the mouse, so then I just gotta, you know, pull that trigger and get the whole PC build. But for now, so I'm gonna hook the monitor up to my MacBook. That way it's easier to like edit. I could do some streaming a little better whenever I decide to do that. But yeah, it's really nice. It's supposed to be able to flip. I think that's why they have that thing there, but it's supposed to be able to flip like upside down, sideways. The height goes up and down, everything. It's like one of the fastest. I wanted white, but this one had better specs, to be honest, so I settled on the black. These gaming monitors did not come in white. The only thing I can get in white is like a HP or something like that. So I settled on this one, but this one has 1 millisecond response time, which means it's going to be super fast and responsive. 1080p, so it's not ultra wide or nothing crazy like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Okay.
I don't care about your unboxing.
They packed it stupid, y'all.